Christine with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Serbian cabbage salad. Now, unlike a traditional American cabbage salad, which uses mayo or sour cream, this one uses a vinaigrette dressing. So it's just an oil and a white vinegar. Here I have some shredded green cabbage. I'm going to add some chopped parsley. And also some chopped celery. Chop that up nice and fine. And then I'm going to make a simple dressing with some vinegar, some oil, you can use canola oil or I'm using olive oil here, either one's good, a little bit of salt, and then also a little bit of sugar just to cut the tartness of the vinegar. And there you have a Serbian cabbage salad.